Hi, I'm Adrienne from Indie Yoga, and thank you for joining me today. If you're looking for a way to improve your focus and concentration, strengthen your eyesight, and cleanse your eyes, why not try Trataka meditation? Trataka is a type of meditation that involves gazing at an object without blinking. And Trataka can be used as a purifying and clearing technique for Saucha. Saucha comes from the Niyamas, one of the 8 limbs of yoga, and that being one of purity and cleanliness. Tratak comes from the Sanskrit and translated to look or to gaze, and this practice is often called candlelight gazing as well, and is used to calm and purify the mind. However, you don't have to use a candle. You can use a dot on the wall or an object that you feel more comfortable in gazing at for a longer period of time. And scientific research has backed up these benefits of Trataka and the style of meditation, that it allows you to reduce anxiety, stress, work overload, and also can help to boost concentration and focus for those who have wandering minds or short attention span. So what do we need to practice Trataka? Just yourself, a comfortable seat, maybe a chair if you prefer not to sit on the floor, a dimly lit room, and a candle. So if you don't have any of those available right now, pop the video on pause and rejoin when you're ready. Hopefully you've managed to secure yourself in a dimly lit, quiet room with either a chair to sit on or the floor and your lit candle. Hopefully the candle won't be too close, roughly at eye level. Mine's a little bit lower, but that's just so that I can do this demonstration and this tutorial for you. And about 2 to 3 feet away from the eyes. And this meditation hopefully will be about 2 or 3 minutes long, and if you're beginning Trataka, it's good to just start off slowly with shorter sessions, building up to 10 to 15 minutes. So once you've got yourself set up, comfortable seat, just take a moment to close the eyes. Take in your surroundings. Feel the space that you have entered and observe how you are sitting. And just take a few deep inhales and exhales through the nostrils. Allowing yourself to become more centered and more grounded through each breath. Let all distractive thoughts go from the mind as you prepare to focus on the candle once you slowly open the eyes. Bring your focus to the flame. And trying to resist the temptation to blink. Blinking is a natural response. And if you need to blink, please do. Allow the eyes to blur around the peripheral, just focusing only on the flame, maybe the flickers, if there is a breeze, the colours, the wick. Soften through the facial expression. There is no tension. The eyes may begin to water, which is when you may need to blink. But if you can still resist that temptation, this strengthens the eyes. and cleanses the eyelids. You may just continue with open eyes, external Trataka gazing on the flame, or you may wish to slowly close the eyes and continuing to envisage the imprint of the flame in between your eyebrows, the area of the third eye. Drawing the central focus to that point, you may see nothing, you may see shapes, you may see colours, you may still see that imprint of the flame. Allow whatever comes up to arise, sitting with the meditation. This may be an opportunity for you to set any intentions around focus, concentration, clarity, purity, cleanliness, or gratitude. If you feel the mind wanders, maybe you wish to restart the practice just by gently opening the eyes and gazing back into the flame, or you can continue to internalize that gaze at the center of the eyebrows, trying not to let the mind wander, but being fully present and fully focused throughout. When you are ready to come out of your meditation, bring the palms together, softly rub to create some warmth, and just gently cup the eyes with the palms of your hands, increasing the darkness. Embrace that darkness behind your palms. Take a few deep breaths here to ground and center before gently blinking the eyes open behind the palms, letting those cracks of light come in. And then releasing the hands down, blinking the eyes, and thanking yourself for giving yourself this time to meditate, thanking the candle flame as you blow it out. And the practice of Trataka is now complete. Thank you for joining me.